Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 5 electric water heater. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. The item number 5 in our list is Highend Intelligent Water Heater. Specifications: brand name, Life Element. Product model, SLA985. Temperature adjustment method, variable frequency constant temperature. Display screen, LED touch screen. Adjustable temperature, temperature height 55 degrees Celsius. Rated attack rate, 8500 watts. Rated voltage, 220 volts/50-60 Hz. Waterproof grade requirement, IPX4. Water pressure, 0.2-1.0 megapascals. Item number 4 is Instant Water Heater Shower. Specifications: brand name, no N name _ null. Name, Instant Electric Water Heater. Type, for bathroom/kitchen. Power, 6000 watts to 8000 watts. Waterproof grade, IPX4. Voltage, 220 volts 50 Hz. Size, about 400 by 260 by 65 ohm. Origin, mainland China. As the item number 3 we've selected, Hyundai Small Electric Water Heater. Specifications: brand, Hyundai. Material, tempered glass panel. Operating voltage, 220 volts/50 Hz 60 Hz. Heating power, 6000 watts 8000 watts. Maximum temperature, 55 degrees Celsius. 3-speed power adjustment, 6000 watts 7000 watts 8000 watts. Smart type, smart chip. On the top of our list at number 1 we have Instant Water Heater Shower. Specifications: brand name, no N name _ null. Color, black. Rated power, 6000 watts. Rated voltage, 220 volts to 240 volts. Current, greater than 32 A. Rated frequency, 50/60ths of a Hz. Waterproof grade, IPX4. Wire length, about 62 centimeters. Water temperature, up to 55 C. Size, 290 by 198 by 62 ohm. Installation mode, hanging vertically. The item number 2 is LPG Gas Hot Water Heater. Specifications: model, propane or butane gas water heater. Type, storage tank water heater. Power source, propane gas. Features, with display, multi-level protections. Exhaust way, open and force flue exhaust type. Discharge ways, flue automatic gas discharge. Mounting location, wall. Origin, mainland China. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon.